So now I guess this will be the next part of the video series. I do have my doubts, but I guess there's going to be some clips under the headlight, so I will remove this one to look under, because you know I need to remove the front bumper to access the radiator. At least I guess that's how you're going to do it. So anyway, I want to start by removing these two 10mm bolts. After that I will need to get under the car, because under the left or right wheel, depending on where and what light you're removing, there's going to be a bolt somewhere, I guess there. So yeah, let's start. So I think I guessed correctly. There are some bolts around here that fix the watt to the watt. Well, I guess this is for the bumper, that's for the arch thingy, and I think there's another one around here also for the bumper. Anyway, yeah, this is the old style connector. For the facelift there is a new style connector, and I believe I can do a facelift light conversion for this car, but we'll see that in the future. So yeah, moving on to the next part, where I'm going to remove the bumper.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something useful from this video. Don't forget there are 2 more videos like this coming up. You can subscribe and press the bell button so you don't accidentally miss them. Okay then, have a great day, and Free out.